protect and conserve the environment. The movement aims to transform people into pro-planet persons adopting sustainable lifestyles. So, like Secretary Sir just mentioned, India's per capita...
Secretaries and SPDs and other officials of the Education Department from various states and UTs who have joined us. We have this webinar on Eco-Cluster Mission Life. And as mentioned by the Joint Secretary, there are two things which will be happening today. A, we will familiarize you with, I think this quarter is going to be a game changer kind of thing in trying to capture the kind of events which will be taking place in all these schools under the aegis of Eco-Cluster Mission. And the second one is in the context of Earth Day, which we are going to celebrate on the 22nd of April. So we will discuss